So this is a question from GATE 2013 from Chemical Engineering, question number 40. In the Taylor Standard Screen Scale series, when the mesh number increases from 3 mesh to 10 mesh, then option A, the clear opening decreases, option B, the clear opening increases, option C, the clear opening is unchanged, option D, the wire diameter increases. So this is a question from screening part of mass transfer operations, and the reference NPTEL lecture can be found in Unit 1, Lecture 4, Characterization of Collection of Particles 1, Mechanical Operations by Professor Shabina Khanam, Department of Chemical Engineering, IIT Roorkee. So here they have mentioned about a Taylor mesh or a Taylor standard screen or a Taylor mesh screen. So a typical mesh screen will look like this. So it is basically a plate having wires crossed from right angles. So this is typically how a mesh looks like. And when they say a clear opening, these are the clear opening of a mesh. So the question here is, when the mesh size is increased from 3 mesh to 10 mesh, what happens to the clear opening, or will it remain unchanged, or will it affect the diameter of these wires that are used for crossing the mesh? So before we proceed, one more thing we need to know is that the mesh number. So when we say 3 mesh, that means there are 3 clear opening per square inch of the sieve or the mesh screen. And when we say 10 mesh, that means there are 10 clear openings per square inch of the mesh. So clearly you can say so a rough pictorial representation would be like this. So if this is a square inch and there are 3 openings and this is a 3 mesh, and if you represent the same using a 10 mesh, so let us say 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. So let us say this area is 1 square inch and there are 10 openings for a 10 mesh. So clearly what you can see here is that when we are looking at the 10 mesh, the opening or the size of the opening decreased in the 10 mesh size. So clearly this indicates that as the mesh number increases, the number of clear opening increases and that means the size of the clear opening decreases. So looking at the options that we are given in this question, option A is the only option that mentions that the clear opening decreases, or the area of the clear opening decreases. So here the right option is option A, the clear opening decreases. So when the mesh number is increased from 3 to 10, the clear opening decreases.